Mm.
Yeah, today
Mm.
class is that email notifications.
Mm.
Yeah, in the ServiceNow, email notifications are used to automatically send emails to users when specific events occur, like when your record creations or updates or approvals. So this is the core part of keeping users informed without manual effort. Okay, so in ServiceNow, email notification are used to send emails, send emails
Mm.
to users when specific event occur, like record creation, updates, approvals. So, so this is a core part of keeping users informed without manual effort. So why this helpful for that? So end users, assigned users, or managers, groups, right?
Mm.
Yeah, for this email notification side, so there are several ways is there for that notification modules. And second one, we can send notification by create events like a event registry. Then third one, we can send notification through workflow activities and whatever notification activities in that event activity. So how many ways to create? There are several ways. One is notification, notification module. Second one, we can send notification by creating events. Means event registry. Third one would be we can send notification through workflow activity. So for that notification activity, event activity. So for example, we'll go for that one incident form. So you will incidents. So we need to click on create new. So you can save this number as well as for this you can get to know for that color. Suppose I selected this. So I need to category is hardware. I selected keyboard. So channel, email I mentioned here. In that short description side, my keyboard is not working. Please resolve the issue ASAP, as soon as possible. Same in the description side also I mentioned. I will save it. So for this, we can save this number. So where we need to go? Under system logs. Under system logs, emails. We need to go there. Yeah, here. Yeah. See here. Open it. Type is send ready. Created date is this time. So notification was engine process. Incident was opened. Subject. Incident was created. Recipient and body. Content type and header. Then for this we can preview email. You can see here. We received your incident. Hello, Khalid. We created this number to handle your recent incident. You can view your incident to see past activity and updates. So what is the about this incident? Short description. My keyboard is not working. Please resolve the issue ASAP. Yeah, right? Opened by. So I am the admin. So why it is coming open by? So I am the admin. I will see the all the things end user can't see. So how the people will know that? So that's why. So this is the incident, triggered the mail, the incident is created. So this is that. You can see. So how we can for that find for that email notifications. So based on that reference number through that reference number through that we'll search. So we will get for that whichever notification or incident created or anything. So it will be auto triggered mail through that incident. So in that based on that reference number only we can search. Suppose when we are incident. Again, color. Same as hardware. Keyboard. Same thing. I'll mention my keyboard was not working. Please do it ASAP. So I need to select assignment group, application development, and assign to is some Guillermo Frolich. I need to save. So under assign to was mention, then whichever users, so we need to add. So under assignment group side, I added application development group. So again, where we need to go? Under system logs, go to that emails part. Yeah. Who is that recipients for that group? Send ready. So this was incident assigned to that particular user, Guillermo Frolich. Yeah, again, you need to review email. Go to there. Yeah. It was urgency is low. So priority is 5 planning. Caller, who is the caller? Hardware. I mentioned. So based on that reference number only we will get for that. Hello, Gil Remo. Assigned to this issue was assigned to for that particular Gil Remo. Right?
Yes.
But why not trigger to that group email? Why? Why? Any idea?
Which?
Incident side. All.
It will not get to our mail incident.
Yeah, here you can see app development. So here there is no group email.
Okay.
So that's why it's not triggered to that particular group email. I need to add test at the rate Outlook.
If you write your email
Now,
Vamshi ServiceNow@gmail.com, it will
nope,
trigger to
I'm
that
just
mail.
testing it. You can see, update it. You can check. Yeah, in there. Again, we need to save it. Yeah. System logs, emails. Yeah. See here. I need to add created, updated, state headers copied. Okay, that's it. Open this. So here you can see weight or importance deleted notification type as SMTP. So SMS or SMTP. So this will be SMTP. Are you any idea about SMTP?
This server protocol something, huh?
No. Simple mail transfer protocol. So that was SMTP. So like this was started protocol used to send emails. For that SMS, we can send that messages as well as when we are put that particular push that notifications, whichever triggered in that notification, record or update event and creates the email record through that SMTP server process. Yeah, again preview email. Permissions. Yeah, here scheduling the report as well as manage the attachments, it's already triggered. So test scheduling reports. Based on that, emails. What is that incident number? What is that incident number? Well, yeah, this is the incident number. Na? Need to copy this. System logs, emails. Incident. So again, we need to create another one. So you need to see subcategory as email. My Outlook has facing issue. The same we are writing here. App development I mentioned. Send to is save. System logs. The emails. Why it's not triggering? Yeah, I thought why it is not triggering? Any idea? Again,
Email.
we need to go there. Need to check. Kalidali. Hardware. Some memory. My system has facing memory issues. Kindly do it ASAP. Need to select assign to some change manager I mentioned. Save it. Again. Under system logs, emails. Why it is not triggering? Refresh list. All. Yeah. User ID. Red lady. Yeah. Yeah, for that previously we send that particular notification to that assigned to and emails, but why is not going? Any idea? So why? Because
Group, no?
yeah, so that is the issue we are facing. Yeah, you can see here. Yeah. Yeah, and I will tell you under finance management side as well as, and before that I need to create one module for this. What is the module I need to create? Under modules, I need to create new one. Create new. Order was 100. I will give. Link type should be list of records. Create new. Single record I will take and submit it. And refresh. Yeah, create new. Click on this. Yeah, before that, in that incident part side, how the how the so before that, whichever we did, yeah, see here, your all incidents is created here. Assignment group is empty, assigned to that particular change manager. Yeah, sent there, but it was, I thought, loading or some maintenance issues there, so that's why it's not reflecting. And and yeah, so here our Zeno finance management is came. So before that, I need to whichever mandatory fields, for that only I need to trigger that. Yeah, right?
Yes, yes.
You can see Zeno company. Some take it as date as due. I'll mention vendor colors. I will take Again, yes, sir. I'll send that. Assign to that. Muhammad Ali and application development side. I will select the group and save it. Yeah, here 8099 and again save it. Yeah, we are sending email for Zeno Finance Management. Save it. System lags. Emails. Under subject. Yeah, why it is not coming? Why? Any idea?
You can press all. Mm,
No, for this we need to create active true only. It will be enabled for the triggered mail. So,
mm.
see, I'll create. Form design. Not no. So here I will remove this. Yeah, active. Yeah, reload the form. Yeah, now we can see new become 8099 assigned to facing memory issues. Is there any? Is there any? Is there any? Yeah, I need to send it. Again, we need to save this. Refresh list. Yeah, you can see previous emails was open. So actually this was, I think, lately sending the mails. You can see in that we created some assigned to that particular.
Mm.
Yeah, I thought it was sending lately. So that's why it triggering late. Yeah, we are assigned to this candidate area previously. So this incident was assigned to you. Outlook is facing issue. Yeah. Refresh the list. Again, we need to. I thought it was sending lately. Refresh list. Again, I need to check. Reload it. Yeah, this also triggered. Change manager. We are group mails. We are mentioned, na? 21. That.
This will go to our mail, this trigger mail.
Wait. That it was. Yeah, see here. Text scheduling report. Yesterday's class, this was report class was triggered mails. So wait, we will wait until we'll get for that. So before that, I'll tell you email under notification parts. Notifications. Email said under notifications. You need to. I'll tell you. For that name side I mentioned Zeno Finance Management Incident table was Zeno Finance Management active is true. Yeah, when we are triggering inserted, so when we are creating inserted means when we are creating new, when we are doing the operations which was inserted, or if you are doing the same existing field side, we need to trigger the notification mentioned as a updated, right? So a mention was inserted, who will receive. So we need to mention users or groups or user group fields as well as. So here lot of fields is there, number, priority, assigned to, or anything if you want. So I will mention vendor color. So groups. So for this here there is a subscribable is there. Yeah, in that service now, when we are clicking on that subscribable, when a notification is marked as a subscribable, it means user can choose of receiving that notifications. Okay, what it will contain. For that, subject, request. So when we are passing the numbers under dollar through that, we can mention for that we will get for that. We'll see. It's, finance management. A number only. Here I will mention number is open for what is that vendor color name? So we need to take this, save, go to there. Yeah, for this, hello. Vendor color. Please find the below attachment. Please find below information for your Zeno Finance request. That was number. For that, we need to add fields over there, whichever information contains, so that we need to send. Yeah, assign to, we can mention assign group. Company code. Created by. And short description is also we will mention here. Where is the short description? Yeah. Now URI reference. So I need to mention thanks service desk. So for this email template also, I will tell you later. So if you want, you can create a new one, then we can select. So to save this,